Can we talk about how a fresh hairstyle can change your mood, baby? Because I know it can't just be me. 1 minute, my hair is in a scarf, it's in a bonnet, it's looking a hot mess because pixies are rough, and I just don't want to look in the mirror, right? And then I get my hair done, and suddenly, I'm taking all the pictures. I'm making plans to go somewhere. I feel like I can take on the world. Okay? Now don't get me wrong. Getting my hair done, getting my lashes done, getting my nails done, they can't solve my problems. My responsibilities are still waiting for me when I leave the salon. But sometimes taking a little time to yourself reminds you that you're someone. Not just a mom, not just a wife, not just an employee, a woman. And that's exactly the reminder I needed.